Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another update on Sofi Technologies, the fintech company that's been making waves in the market. If you've been following my previous videos on Sofi, you know it's a company with big ambitions in digital banking, lending, and more. Today, we're diving into why Sofi's stock has surged about 40% over the past month, the factors behind this rally, how the US economy might impact the company, and what to watch for in their upcoming quarterly report. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about that impressive 40% stock price jump in just 1 month. As of mid-July 2025, SoFi's stock is trading around $21 per share, close to its 52-week high. So, what's fueling this rally? There are a few key drivers. One major factor is new legislation impacting federal student loans. Signed into law by President Trump, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act sets strict caps on federal student loans, starting July 1st, 2026. For example, graduate students will face an annual loan limit of $20,500 and a lifetime cap of $100,000, while Parent Plus loans are capped at $20,000 per year and $65,000 per student. This shift is expected to push more borrowers toward private lenders like SoFi, potentially boosting demand for its student loan refinancing products. Another driver is SoFi's strong financial performance. In their Q1 2025 earnings, reported on April 29th, SoFi posted record net revenue of $772 million, up 20% year over year, and a net income of $71.1 million. The company also grew its member base by 34% to 10.9 million and saw loan sales of $7.2 billion. This growth shows SoFi's ability to expand its digital banking and lending platform, which is resonating with investors. Additionally, SoFi's planned re-entry into the cryptocurrency market is creating buzz. After exiting crypto in 2023 due to regulatory challenges, SoFi announced plans to offer crypto trading, including stablecoins, later in 2025. This move could open new revenue streams and attract a broader customer base, similar to what we've seen with competitors like Robinhood. Now, let's zoom out to the broader US macroeconomic picture and how it might affect SoFi. The Federal Reserve is currently holding interest rates at 4.25% to 4.5%, with expectations of two 0.25% rate cuts later in 2025. Lower interest rates could make borrowing more attractive, potentially boosting demand for SoFi's loans. However, there are risks. Rising tariffs, part of the new legislative package, could increase consumer prices and inflation, which might reduce spending power and loan demand. If inflation pushes the Fed to keep rates higher, it could also raise SoFi's funding costs, impacting profitability. On the flip side, the US economy is showing resilience, with steady consumer spending and job growth supporting demand for financial services. SoFi's focus on affluent, tech-savvy customers positions it well to capture this market, especially as digital banking adoption grows. But tariffs could slow economic growth, so it's a mixed bag. Opportunities and challenges for SoFi in this environment. Looking ahead, all eyes are on SoFi's Q2 2025 earnings report, set for July 29th. Analysts are expecting earnings per share of 6 cents and revenue of around $803 million, up from $763 million last quarter. SoFi has a strong track record, beating EPS estimates 100% of the time over the past year. If they deliver another strong quarter, it could reinforce investor confidence. What about analyst price targets? Right now, the consensus price target is around $15.96 to $16.50. Suggesting a potential 22–27% downside from the current $21 level. Some analysts, like those at Citizens JMP and Needham, have downgraded SoFi to hold, arguing the recent rally may have priced in much of the good news. However, Stevens maintained buy rating with target up to $20. If SoFi posts a strong Q2, we could see analysts revise their targets upward, especially if they see continued growth in memberships, loan originations, or crypto news. Higher targets could fuel further stock momentum, as we've seen in past earnings cycles. So, there you have it. An update on SoFi Technologies' impressive 40% rally over the past month. From legislative tailwinds and strong financials to crypto expansion and technical breakouts, there's a lot driving this stock. The U.S. economy presents both opportunities and risks, and the upcoming Q2 earnings could be a game changer. I'll be watching closely, and I hope you will too. Let me know in the comments what you think about SoFi's run and what you're expecting from their next report. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.